Welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we explore the Tapalpa cottage, a hidden gem nestled within the Mexican forest. This unique house seamlessly blends in with nature, offering both communal spaces and private retreats. Located near the village of Tapalpa, the Tapalpa cottage prioritizes integration with the surrounding environment. Its linear design respects the existing topography, minimizing disruption to the landscape. The cottage is divided into two main areas, a social area and a bedroom area. The social area, featuring the kitchen, dining room, and living room, boasts expansive windows, creating a sense of openness and connection with nature. The social area cleverly utilizes built-in carpentry to serve various functions. The bedrooms, located on a slightly elevated level for added privacy, feature window systems that allow for adjustable views of the surrounding beauty. A key element of the design is a central piece of furniture that acts as a mediator of the program. It integrates the kitchen, fireplace, and bookshelves, creating a central gathering point within the open floor plan. Local stone defines the exterior, contrasting beautifully with the glass elements. This creates a dialogue between the house and its environment. Inside, wood is used extensively, creating a warm and natural ambience. The exposed stone wall becomes a sculptural texture, framed by steel and wood. The open facades blur the lines between the interior and exterior spaces, fostering a constant connection with nature. The Tapalpa cottage's structure is a hybrid, combining traditional methods with prefabricated materials. Steel columns and beams accentuate the home's linearity, while wood brings a sense of warmth. This thoughtful combination ensures efficiency and a welcoming atmosphere. The Tapalpa cottage is a testament to sustainable design principles and a celebration of nature. Would you live in a house that blends seamlessly with the environment? Share your thoughts on eco-friendly architecture in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.